Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. You know, I'm really happy doing what I'm doing today because it's totally up my alley. It's where I come from. I'm a Mangalorean and today I'm making one of my favorite coastal recipes, oil-free fish curry. This one has many advantages. It's oil-free, protein-rich, healthy and yummy. Sounds unbelievable, na? Let me show you. तो पहले हम अपना curry paste बनाते हैं. So we literally just have to chuck in a few ingredients in our mixer jar. बहुत ही simple, quick recipe है. Grated coconut. I remember when I was young, I used to sit with my grandmother and grate the coconut. वो अलग किस्म का होता था, वो कुछ ऐसे ऐसे करके हम लोग करते थे. It was so much fun. Those were the days. Then we add in the shallots. Some peppercorn, 5 to 6. 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, a teaspoon, add in around half a cup of water. Just has to be coarsely ground. तो यहाँ पे already मैंने बना के रखा हुआ है paste. This is how it's supposed to look. Okay. We switch the gas on. So we just add in our curry paste. Add in the 2 sliced chilies. I really like it tikha, so I'm not de-seeding them. Add in the curry leaves, change my spoon. Up, we need to thin it down, so we'll add in a bit of water, around a cup and a half. Let it just simmer. You can just increase the flame to medium and let it just simmer. You can see the bubbles. It's slowly coming to a boil. This is when you add in the fish. We're using rawas today, 500 grams. And the trick is never overcook fish. So literally 8 minutes and you're done. Now you add in your already pre-made tamarind pulp. I'm adding in a tablespoon and a half because we're also going to add in some kokum. This is great. It's a great fat burner actually. So we just add in 2 or 3 pieces. I like it a bit khatta. Salt. Now this is my mom's trick. She always puts in a piece of jaggery. So this is jaggery powder. Just adds in that sweetness and it just turns out fab. Make sure you do this very carefully because you don't want your fish to break. Please taste it and see if you want to add anything more in terms of ingredients. Loving it. And we just shut it, reduce the flame. Oh my God. Perfect. चलिए All set. This is how I like to eat it, with red rice. Yum. Perfect. Just a bit of mango pickle. You won't believe me, right? But this tastes way better than the regular oil-based curries. This oil-free fish curry is going to give you serious health goals. And I really hope you like what we're dishing out here. Because if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. और याद रखो, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.